Everyone. This is Manjit on the behalf of Hotel Management Institute. So today we come up with a burning topic, that's the power of personalization. So it's a great topic. It covers both the factors, that the factor will be personal and personality. If we talk about the personal development, it will cover the external factors, and if we will talk about the internal factors, that covers the personality one. So for this topic, we have a great speaker, Mr. Ritvik Tyagi. He has a great experience in the event management, and he is one of the youngest entrepreneur in the event management team. And he's running his own company with a great experience. So we please welcome sir, and we are very grateful, thankful to the sir that he just give us time from his busy schedule. Sir, please. Ritvik sir.
Thank you, Mr. Manjeet. I am happy to talk to you all today. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all of you finding time and visiting this particular webinar. As you all know that we will be presenting on the personality development, and I will be trying to accommodate it with event management. Because what I personally feel, the hospitality student nowadays are finding and looking for their career in event management. Hospitality is a similar way out. Hotels is all about hospitality. Hotels में हम लोग events करते हैं. We have different departments like front office, housekeeping, kitchenette and F&B service. Each and every department is connected to an event. Why? How can we prove those things? Say for example, you are accommodating into a front office department, and being into a hospitality personnel, you have an event that is a wedding section. Front office department will be directly connected to rooms for that particular wedding. The rooms will be accommodating. The guests are coming, they'll be checking the room. So a front office personnel is also a part of an event team. So these are the smaller things. Let's start the session with personality development session, and accordingly I'll be fixing up and will be giving some examples, and it will be great for me if you will be coming up with your questions too. So everybody knows that a person's personality is a public image. Why the hospitality personnels are so much successful in this world? Because they have a particular grooming. Their personality comes up with different behaviors. They have their characters, their attitudes. Then personality development, how we can improve them by their behavioral traits, with communication skills, building the interpersonal relationships with our guests, or if I talk about our neighbors, or in our particular colleagues. Attitude makes a whole difference. Working on ethics, then that way we can do that. Can you change the slide? So it's an image how we can relate this segment with ourselves or with personality development. We don't have to compare anything. हम कोई भी इस particular world में same नहीं है. Mr. Manjeet is different. I am different. Everybody has their own interpersonal skills. Everybody has their own skills. People talk about us, but we don't have to compare ourselves with others. So being as a student.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. There's a question. Is there any difference between compare and judging? The student just asked us. Comparing and judging.
See, people judge us and we compare ourselves with others. So the difference is we don't have to compare with others, and if the people is judging us, we need to figure it out. Ki either if they are judging us, are they judging on a good note, or they are just judging us from a other person. If somebody is judging us from our personality, yes, that will be a harm, or it will be a pros for us.
Sure, sir. Over to you, sir, please.
Yeah, thanks. So we don't have. So as I lastly said to all my team members, that if we are comparing ourselves with others, I really don't think so that this will be a good way out of looking our own. Next slide, please. So these are the same. Hello, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. It's clear, sir.
Fine. How we can compare, and there's a difference between into a listening and a hearing. So I'll just give you a brief about it. It's a PPT. Everybody can see it, but we can come up with your questions on the same part. Like detaching or disconnected from a conversation will be a hear, and what we are listening is something what we are gaining out of it. Sunna is like कि मैंने हाँ भाई Mr. Manjeet has told me something and I heard it. जिस चीज को मैंने बहुत ध्यान से सुना, उसको समझा एंड उस पर रिएक्ट किया. So this will be my listening, or I'll say my active conversation into a connection. Then words heard enter a veil of judgment, fear, and distractions. Then words heard are analyzed intellectually without an effort to win a conversation. So these are the two differences between hear and listen, if I'll talk about.
Okay. So can you share any of your movement that you just hear it and you missed that opportunity just because of hearing? You didn't listen in your life.
I'll just give you an example relating to event management itself. Once what happened, a client of mine has told me, Ritvik, I need particular Jaimala of a particular type. Say, for example, he told me for a red one. So I just heard it at the time of the meeting, but I have not noted it down. Or like I have not given it importance. I told her कि ठीक है मैडम हो जाएगा. Then what happened on the same day? Because जो चीजें हम सुनते हैं वो कई बार हमारी मिस हो जाती हैं within a frictions of seconds or frictions of minutes. On the wedding day what happened is like कि मैं वो जयमाला present ही नहीं कर पाया. मैंने सुना जरूर था उस दिन, but मैंने उसको नहीं नोट किया, नहीं उस पे कोई उसमें कहीं पे भी ध्यान दिया. And same day that particular jayamala was not presented to my guest. So इसकी वजह से what happened? It spoils the image of my company that we are not able to deliver a particular element which is being shared by guests. Even though we have the time on the same day, तो मैंने वो arrange करा दी थी. But that embarrassment with that guest कि हाँ भाई you guys are not capable of those things. So that was happened on the same way. So it was a small example. Sometimes like it happens with everybody that way. So hearing में एक सबसे बड़ा एक कॉल ये भी रहता है that we have a narrow mind on the same thing. Hearing में हम सुनते हैं, समझते हैं और उसको फिर like we keep it in the open world. But अगर हम किसी चीज को clearly सुन रहे हैं और we are listening it with an open minded or a strong willpower, so we can come up with our new ideas also. क्योंकि हम उस पर ध्यान देते हैं. जब हम उसमें ध्यान देंगे तो वी नो कि हाँ भाई मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन को कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है या उस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया को कैसे समझना है. सो सुनना इज गुड फॉर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि अनप्रोफेशनली ठीक है आप सुन सकते हो, बट अगर हम प्रोफेशनली वी आर वर्किंग इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर मॉड्यूल, सो वी हैव टू लिसन थिंग्स. और किसी का सुनने बाय लिसनिंग द थिंग्स, it is not like this कि भाई ठीक है we will not be gaining anything, we will be gaining a lot things. Knowledge is something जिसको हम कभी भी like we cannot sell it, you know. आप वो आपकी लाइफ में लॉन्ग में आपके साथ ही रहेगा हमेशा.
It means sir, listening is two-way communication. This means the speakers and the listen both are the participating in that. And so one is listen person is there, Dalai Lama sir. He already said we have 2 ears, not one. So we have to listen twice and we have to speak one because we have one mouth.
Right.
Please, sir.
Nicely said, sir. Can I have the next slide, please?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So let me come up with some questions. Then I'll give you the feeding of this particular image. Because my PPT will be having a lot more image. Wo bookish. So already you have been your teachers and Mr. Manjeet is already a good teacher. So
Okay. So there is a question about the previous slide, sir. Reaction and response. Reaction and response. Is there any difference between reaction and response while we are dealing with the clients? If we are reacting on that, or if client is reacting on that, is that fine, or we have to respond? What is this difference between this reaction and response?
Reaction is if somebody is saying or something on either it will be a positive way out or it's a negative way out. That's his reaction. And how we are responding on the same thing. कि भाई मैं उसको एक अच्छे वे में उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा हूँ या फिर उसको एक बुरे वे में कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट्स एन डिफरेंस. देन लेट्स कम अप विद एन एग्जांपल आल्सो. से फॉर एग्जांपल आपने मुझे बोला कि ऋत्विक आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट एंड आई हैव वर्कड हार्डली ऑन द सेम पर्टिकुलर मैनर. से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं होटल में ही हूँ एंड आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ फूड एंड द सर्विस स्टाफ हैज गिवन दैट फूड टू एंड ही हैज सर्व्ड दैट फूड टू अ क्लाइंट. ही डिड नॉट लाइक इट. The service staff have not prepared that food, right? So client has reacted on a negative manner कि आपने कैसा बनाया है and all and etc way out. But that service staff has presented their food at a good note. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसको present किया. So it will be depending upon that service service team associate ki how he will be responding to that reaction of that particular guest. Either yes sir, definitely I'll check with my chef and we will be coming back to you on the same concern, or ki sir nahi ye to aise hi bana hua tha. So being as a hospitality personnel, I will say ki you have to be polite at all the time. So this is a small difference between the reaction or the response.
Okay. So one more question is there, sir, if you don't mind. Can I, sir?
Yeah, definitely. It will be a privilege, Mr. Manjeet. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir. Everyone is just hearing, sir. It's a live one, sir. They're just getting you on the live platform, sir. So the question is inform and involve. The student just asked me, when they are talking to the client, they are just informing them how to involve the client, how to just put an image to the mind, to their customer's mind.
That's a great question. See, Mr. Manjeet, let's talk about the same Excel. We are on a front office desk.
Okay, sir.
Standing on a front office desk, a guest came to you and he told me like XYZ person, I have a particular booking for the same date. So you are giving him information about the room. Yes, sir, you have this particular booking on this particular date and your room category is XYZ. Now how you can get him involved. So now the situation comes, the answer to this particular question. How was your journey, sir? How did you like the room? So not the room exactly, because you have not reached to the room till yet. How did you like the lobby of the hotel, sir? How was your journey? Coming up with a question. You had your breakfast, so can I order you something, sir? Can I ask you for a glass of water? So now what you are doing, you're giving him a personal touch. Okay. Information के तो उसने आपको पैसे दिए ही थे रूम के. अब जो आपने उससे क्वेश्चंस पूछे, और what you can do, you have a full name of that particular guest. आपको पता चल गया Mr. XYZ person. You call him with you, instead of calling him sir, you call him Mr. Yadav or Mr. Tyagi or Mr. XYZ person. So this will give him a personal touch for that particular thing. Yes, he has given me the information, but he has also given me a personal touch to that hospitality. We call that na Athithi Devo Bhava, being as in hospitality personnel. So this gives him that personal touch.
So is the quote is just for India, sir? Is also for the out of India also, sir? Athithi Devo Bhava.
See, this can definitely for all the hotels across world. Maybe I am not I cannot say ki bhai haan, this is for India, but for India, as per our culture or our traditions, we do it. See, guests are always welcome at all hotels, too, and hospitality is same for all of the world. And trust me, जो hoteliers और जो hotel management students from Indian colleges हैं, they are successful across the world because they have started from the ground. बाहर तो you know that कि all this is like machinery working is there, but यहाँ पे जो ground level से बच्चा एक prepare होके जाता है, वो across the world में successful है.
Okay, over to you, sir. Good, sir.
So can I have some questions on this image, please?
Okay. So the question will be, if you will explain the image, then the students will ask me the question, sir. Please go for the image first. Sorry to say that, sir.
चलिए. See, हमने जैसे we are coming up on the personality development aspect itself. So let me just read this first. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. But when a life is dragging us back with the difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So I am relating this, but your personality development or our life to this particular image कि एक एरो को जब हम पीछे खींचते हैं तो वो आगे एक पर्टिकुलर एक्शन के लिए जाता है और फिर वो एरो उस पर्टिकुलर एम में जाता है. डिफिकल्टीज तो लाइफ में एट एवरी फेज ऑफ टाइम. सुबह उठने में 6 बजे कॉलेज आते हुए भी डिफिकल्टी रहती है, शेविंग करते हुए भी डिफिकल्टी रहती है, बट वो शेव करने से वी आर गेटिंग ग्रूम्ड आवरसेल्फ. Sorry, I have not shaved it, and even your professor also, but on being as in students, you have to. Hello?
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir. I just get a call, sir.
Yeah. So, shaving से एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपसे जैसे ही शेयर किया था कि भाई अगर आप शेव सुबह करते हैं तो वो भी एक डिफिकल्टी हमें लगती है कि यार ठंडे पानी से हमें शेव करना पड़ेगा, बट वो शेव करने से वी आर गेटिंग आवरसेल्फ ग्रूम फॉर आवर फ्यूचर. आज 3 साल अगर हमने इस तरीके, हाउ द टीचर्स आर सेइंग एंड वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इन द सेम मैनर, So that after that 3 years, we'll be finding out things ki, yes, what we have been taught is definitely and required for that industry. So the conclusion of the same is this: we have to just focus on what we are planning for our life, or for what is our aim and what we are into. For hospitality, तो grooming and a personality development is utmost important. पहली चीज तो वही रहती है हमेशा.
Yes, sir. I'm audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So the student just asked me a question, sir.
हाँ जी.
How the backbiting, is this backward if you're pulling the experience backward, or the someone is backbiting us? Can we relate that?
Sorry.
If someone is backbiting, is it that the same one, or the backward, if we are taking the step backward? Is there any relation, sir?
See, if somebody is definitely, if somebody is saying any backbiting behind us, we have to be silent, you know. And I personally take it on my life. If somebody is backbiting for me, or if somebody is saying negative about me to anybody, or if somebody is complaining about me, not my superiors, or if my subordinates or something, so I am on a right path. क्योंकि लोग अगर मुझसे जल रहे हैं या मेरे बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, तो शायद मेरा लक्ष्य आगे और मैं उनसे आगे चल रहा हूं, तभी they have time to talk about me.
That's why the word is their back, sir. If someone is doing backbiting, it means they are back. Obviously, they are back, sir. Definitely. And let them do their job. Neither talk to them. Like talking is like कि अगर आपको पता भी चल गया है तो let them do their job. Give them a smile. तो उसको एक ये रहेगा, जब तक एक मुट्ठी बंद रहती है तब तक उसकी एक स्ट्रेंथ रहती है. जिस दिन आपने उसको बोल दिया तो उसको पता चल जाएगा, यार इसको तो फर्क पड़ रहा है मेरी बात कहकर. So again he will start doing it. Okay, fine. Can I join some lines, sir? Can I add some lines, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
There's a story, sir. There's a tree full of fruits, sir. जितना पेड़ जितने फ्रूट्स हैं वो उतना झुकता है, और उसी पे सबसे ज्यादा पत्थर फेंके जाते हैं, सर.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
और उन पत्थरों को, अगर उन पत्थर और उन स्टोन्स को हम इकट्ठा करके अगर घर बनाते हैं और उसी घर में उसी बंदे को हम अगर इनवाइट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सर.
वेरी ट्रू. आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. क्योंकि आम का पेड़ जितना बड़ा होता जाता है उतना झुकता जाता है, और उतने ही फल देता है वो हमें. जितना लंबा पेड़, जितना बड़ा और जितना पुराना आम का पेड़ होगा, वो उतना ही ज्यादा झुकेगा और उतना ही ज्यादा हमें फल देगा.
So what I think, sir, the backbiting is just that you have something good, and the person who is doing the backbiting, he don't have that thing, and that's why he's just blaming you for that.
Very true. That's our strength, no? I personally take it as my strength. So all of the students who have been attending this particular seminar, I suggest them कि ठीक है, अगर कोई आपके पीछे बोल रहा है, so take it in a positive manner. अगर आपने कुछ definitely गलत नहीं किया है, तो अगर कुछ गलत किया है, if our subordinates are saying, I am not comparing with the teachers अगर हमें कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो definitely हमने हो सकता है कुछ उस particular level तक नहीं किया होगा the way they are expecting us to do. So that will not be considered as in backbiting, but about your subordinates, we can accommodate those things on that time.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Just give me a second. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Now let's come again to this academic part after a healthy discussion with Mr. Manjeet. So what are the do's we can accommodate to have a good personality development, you know? And ये सब चीजें वही हैं which you have already learned in your 12th class, in your first year or second year or a third year. So I'll just give you a brief about it, relating some experiences. So look at the speaker and be attentive. So you all have to be attentive for this seminar right now. Eye to eye contact. If I talk about the interview times, so how you can accommodate and how your personality can also enhance your way out, and it will be our good interview. So you should have good eye contact with your speaker. Speaker I can convert to that HR who will be there in your interview process. Show concern to the speaker's feeling. Feeling can also be considered as like if he's asking you some questions to relating something. तो अगर हम उसको थोड़ा सा बुकिश वे में आंसर नहीं करके थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस, अगर आप अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस उसमें अकोमोडेट करें ऑन अ गुड मैनर विद अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, so that can give him a personal touch ki yes, this person will be a right opportunity for or a asset for that company also. definitely a company will give you an opportunity, but you can also be an asset to that particular company once you started working in that particular organization. Be clear to your answers. घुमाए फिराएंगे नहीं हम ज्यादा, क्लियर रखेंगे जो उन्होंने पूछा है. लेट्स कीप इट ऑन द सेम मैटर. यस, बीइंग एन हॉस्पिटैलिटी पर्सनल, स्माइल तो जो हम पहले दिन ओरिएंटेशन में सुनते हैं या बोलते थे हमारे टीचर्स, और आज थर्ड ईयर तक आते आते वे भी आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स have that face of smiling. Look at your teachers, इनका इतना smiling face है, Mr. Manjeet. So,
sir, there is one interesting question for the smile, sir. Can I, sir? Is there a difference between smile and happy, sir?
See, being let's conclude it on a professionally itself. Okay. अगर घर पे मम्मी ने डांटा भी हो बच्चों को, तो सुबह शिफ्ट पे आने के बाद उन्हें स्माइल करना ही पड़ेगा. दिल से चाहे वो हैप्पी हो या ना हो, लेकिन सुबह स्माइल कर, लाइक ऑन द शिफ्ट द टाइम ही इज देयर बी स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ फ्रंट डेस्क, सो दे हैव टू बी स्माइलिंग. सो बीइंग स्माइलिंग और हैप्पी दोनों एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है, बट प्रोफेशनली अ स्माइलिंग फेस कैन मेक एनीबॉडीज डे. सो आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. Definitely, like I work with hotels also. I'll just give you a small brief about myself also. Mr. Manjeet has already shared. Like before this particular company with the events, I worked with Surya Hotel. I'm a hospitality grad, and then I did my MBA in international business from IMT Ghaziabad. I was in management training for Surya. I was an HR management trainee, so like trainee development part is being taken care by me. Then I have done my MBA in international business. Then I have studied with the Masters of Science with Hotel and Hospitality Administration from National Council of Hotel Management, Sector 62. I did my Masters in Travel. I'm doing my Masters in Travel and Tourism also. So one day what happened, a guest was so fussy, like she was not well also. But I smiled with her. I started, जैसे मैंने आपको भी आपने मेरे से बताया, interactive questions I started asking her. So that makes her happy कि हाँ ठीक है, some at a new place. It was example, like it was experience of Surya Hotel. I was deputed with front office that time. तो मैंने मेरे स्माइल करने उसका दिन एक अच्छा चला गया. So she was happy on that part. So that's why both of these things are being collected together.
Okay. So you have such a nice experience, sir. So one student just asked a question about the strength, sir. What is your strength? What is the strength of this experience? Strength. What's your strength, sir? While you are just running this business, while you just become an entrepreneur, what increases you? Which strength increases you, sir?
See, what strengths? Definitely there are some monetary aspects also, but let's not get into those monetary aspects. But yes, what made me strength is like I have seen a few of my people that who have been working with events, and I was working with hotel that time. So I thought कि यार ठीक है, जब मैं hospitality professional हूँ, and I can, जब मुझे स्माइल करके या फिर लोगों को खुश करके ही करना है काम, सो व्हाई डोंट आई मेक देयर इवेंट्स और उनके दिन को मैं थोड़ा सा अच्छा बनाऊं. और मेरी पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेंथ्स ये हैं, people get influence from me, like as much as I'll talk with them. I can make people happy from कि जैसे मैं उनसे बात करना शुरू करता हूं तो मैं उनसे I try to put myself into their shoe and then I come to a particular conclusion. Then my other strengths are definitely my educational background, my experience और knowledge. तो मैं आज भी after having this particular seminar with you and coming up with the different new innovative questions from students, I am also getting a knowledge out there.
Obviously, sir. Obviously. There's a quote, sir. Knowledge के लिए quote है, sir. Can I add, sir? Yeah, fine. We can measure the height of Mount Everest, but we can't measure the height of knowledge Mount Everest, sir.
Correct. See, एक अगर हम बिल्कुल स्टैंडर्ड वर्ड्स में देखें कि किसी के चेहरे पे नहीं लिखा होता है कि वो कितना एजुकेटेड है, but once he started talking to a person, that's like other person will come to understand about it कि हाँ भाई कि this person is to this particular level.
It means, sir, we don't have to judge the book from the cover.
That's a nice quote, Mr. Manjeet.
Sir, there's one question from my side, sir. Is there any weakness, sir? Is there any weakness you face in your life, sir? Any weakness, sir?
Definitely. There are weaknesses. I am a kind of emotional person.
Okay.
मैं थोड़ा सा इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाता हूँ जब कोई मेरे से बहुत अच्छे से बात करता है, बट कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट कि भाई वो मेरी वीकनेस इसलिए है क्योंकि कई बारी लोग मुझे डिच कर देते हैं जब वो आराम से अच्छे से मेरे से बात करते हैं. सो आई थिंक कि ठीक है यार, ही इज इनटू अ प्रॉब्लम, लेट मी जस्ट help them out. Can I have that last slide itself?
Just give me a second, sir.
So that is my weakness.
Okay.
And I'm happy to share that जिससे कि आगे nobody can do that way out. Let's wrap it up and let's come to the don'ts. Do not interrupt or irritate or rush into a speaker. I am just giving an example relating to your interview process on this particular slide. So let your HR to have your all questions. Do not give room for arguments. As I told you कि आप limited बोलिए. Don't argue mentally. Don't argue on those situations. Maybe ये हो सकता है कि आपके जो सामने HR हैं और the person interviewer, if I'll talk about, who is taking care of your interview, वो आपसे try करें to get into कि भाई ठीक है आप एक argumentative mode में आओ. But it is not necessary that you have to show your all knowledge. Get that particular job first, and then you can perform there good and show your knowledge. Do not assume. Definitely, it's they all are related together. और टीज करने का तो कंसर्न होता ही नहीं है टू, बिकॉज यू नीड टू गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब टू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. कैन आई हैव द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज? सो इट्स अ नाइस कोट. कोई बता सकता है हु इज दिस इन दिस इमेज?
So the students are just hearing you, sir. They can just put me the question, sir. It take time, sir.
Okay. So I'll talk about this. Nobody can decide our future. To all my students in this particular webinar, nobody can decide our future. हमें एक हिंदी में एक कोट है बहुत अच्छा, अगर कि हम अपने किस्मत और अपने कर्म पे खुद उसको बिल्ड करते हैं, तो हम जैसा करेंगे वैसा हमारा फ्यूचर रहेगा. लाइक आई यूजुअली टॉक माय फ्रेंड्स, मैं उन्हें बता देता था कि यार तुम्हारी जैसे फ्रेंड सर्कल है या तुम्हारी जैसी हैबिट्स है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल ऐसा है, सो दिस विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन यू आर, सो दैट यू कैन अकोमोडेट दैट एज माय स्ट्रेंथ, कि आई हैव दैट स्ट्रेंथ कि भाई किसी की हैबिट्स या उसके फ्रेंड सर्कल से आई कैन टेल देम कि यस दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन यू आर. So nobody can decide our future, and our habits, we ourselves has to build our habits, and the way we will be behaving at this point of time, either at the college or throughout our life, that will be our future.
Okay.
You have seen the bureaucrats of India. वो लोग कोई different थोड़ी ना होते हैं हमारे से. They are also those civilians जो एक ग्रेजुएशन लेवल करके आफ्टर पासिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम, बट यस दे हैव देयर ओन हैबिट कि हाँ सुबह उठना है, दे हैव अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम मैनेजमेंट, दे नो हाउ टू मैनेज देयर ऑल थिंग्स. आपका जैसा एवरीबडी हैज देयर स्टडी डेस्क एट देयर हाउस. आप अपने आज डेस्क को जाके ही देखिएगा हाउ यू हैव मैनेज देम. जैसा वो मैनेज होगा, दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन वी आर.
Okay, I think so. A lot of the students, a lot of the people don't start with their day with making the bed. They are not making their bed. Their parents are doing that. I think if we want to make a good habit, we have to start from the morning one, sir. The first step, we have to start making our bed by own.
Correct. More like I even also during my college times, if I'll talk about, I have also never made my bed.
Okay.
But yes, today I am while getting up from my bed after having my water in the morning. I don't drink tea in the morning, so I make my bed. Then I start my whole day. Because जब मेरा घर का मेरा बेड जिस पे मुझे नेक्स्ट डे आके रहना है, नेक्स्ट डे आके सोना है, वही अगर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं रहेगा, then how the things will be complicated.
Sure, sir.
So again, that academical parts, types of personalities everybody has. Perfectionist, the helpers. Some few of you will be the helpers also, and some of our romantic guys or who have that all ठीक है, let me help everybody, and being into a romantic mode. Achievers, backbenchers can also be achievers in different ways, either in the sports, not necessary that they have to be achievers in academics. They may be achievers in their sports part itself. Asserters, questioners, जो आगे बैठ के मिस्टर मंजीत आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते होंगे, so that is also kind of a personality of students you'll be having. Adventurous, mountaineers, beaches. So I'll just say कि अगर आप holidays पे भी जा रहे हैं, try to being as an hospitality personals or hospitality graduates. See the type of hospitality you are getting into a particular location. Like I am a traveler itself, like, and I've been traveling to many places starting from north to Kerala. What I've observed, अगर मैं हिमाचल की तरफ जाता हूँ तो students also have that habit. The kids of that particular area have that habit to say namaskar to everybody, because whenever we go to tracking to these places in Himachal, उनके तो एक बोलते हैं ना कि भाई खून में ही है वो अतिथि देवो भव वाला, तो बच्चे भी अपने घर पे खड़े होके we used to greet us with namaskar. अभी you have a good experience of Goa. I think you have been traveling, Mr. Manjeet. So गोवा के बारे में आप बताएंगे how is the hospitality over there, the good ones. Then the observers, there are few. I can compare myself also an observer, क्योंकि मैं क्लास में like the time I was doing my graduation, I used to absorb, observe the things. And instead of asking a question to my teachers, I used to just see कि हाँ भाई what she was taking me or what she is teaching me. और या फिर मैं कहीं पे अगर travel कर रहा होता हूँ, तो I used to observe कि हाँ भाई यहाँ का एक particular fame ये है, यहाँ पे इस तरीके से है. फिर let's talk about the Kerala. एक छोटा सा example I'll give you. जैसे वहाँ पे नमस्कार का trend है. केरला में people are there, like they are so helpful. If you will not find a way out, they will. I'll give you a small example. मैंने एक बारी एक बाइक वाले से, because there is a language barrier also with me. So like I have a slip of paper, I need to travel to a particular place. I just asking कि भैया मेरे को यहाँ पे जाना है. So what that person did, वो मुझे अपनी बाइक पे बिठा के he took me to that particular place and he dropped me there. So what this makes me, इसी से मेरे को एक पूरा केरला का, अब मैं कहीं पे भी किसी को भी अगर मैं एक एक्सपीरियंस दूंगा, so I'll give them a positive experience about Kerala. Yes, the Kerala people are good. So I've observed those things. Then a personality like peacemakers. So these are them.
Can I move on, sir? The next slide.
Yeah. Oh, sir, can I have your Goa experience with the?
Sir, I just let the Goa experience. Hospitality words, sir. It's an host only. They host me, my friends host me, and I just grabbed that opportunity, sir. I just got an opportunity from my friend, sir. It's in Milin. He just gave me an opportunity to please visit to Goa. I just grabbed that opportunity. And if there is a word opportunity, sir, I just want to share with, and I want to add something on opportunity, sir. If you will just go for the spelling yesterday, sir, there is no O alphabet in yesterday. No yes. O alphabet in yesterday. But if you will go for the today, there is an O alphabet, sir.
Correct.
It means we have an opportunity today, sir. And if you will go for the spelling of tomorrow, there are a lot of O's, sir. 3 O are there. So it means we have opportunity tomorrow also, the more opportunity. It's on us how we are grabbing those opportunities. And for the Goa trip, that's an opportunity for me, for my friends. I just grab it, sir.
That's nice. That's nice. So you grabbed that opportunity and you have given a good experience to all your students. Yes, Goa is a good place for working also and for their trainings also. Mr. Manjeet, just wanted to know the students which are connected with us, they all are the first year, second year?
Sir, the hospitality sector students are there only. Hospitality and tourism sector students are there. All are there, sir. The first year, third year, and the fourth year also are there, sir. Diploma. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Only the hospitality and tourism, sir. From every semester, sir.
Okay, from all the semesters.
Maybe their parents are also there, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks. So, with this image, if an egg is broken by outside forces, the life ends. If broken by inside forces, the life begins. The great things always begin from inside. This is a smaller example, accommodating the egg only. But yes, isse what we are trying to make them understand Coming to your that particular point, back bitching वाला if I'll talk about, पीछे से कोई अगर हमें बोलेगा तो हमें लगेगा कि भाई हमारी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई, कि हाँ भाई ऐसे he was talking about me and XYZ person and like नहीं now I don't have anything to do because he was talking about me. So I told you, let them say about you, it's a good thing out of you. And now we have to take out the thing here, what he was talking about me. Kya, is it right or wrong? So that will come up from your heart itself or the inside of your soul. Ki yes, this particular thing was wrong from my side, or maybe this is right. Then yes, our life begin, and it's all about a nature, कि आपकी habits कैसी हैं, how do you take the things. If you have a habit कि ठीक है, I need to argue with everybody, then definitely you will go to that person कि हाँ भाई तू ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है. Like in a class if I'll talk about, there are different the last 9 points which I talked to you about. So all students have a different way of thinking, and everybody will be successful. Don't worry, आपकी thoughts कैसी हैं, जैसी भी हैं, that's your individual perspective, but you will be successful one day in your life. ऐसा कोई भी स्टूडेंट कभी नहीं होता कि अगर उसकी आज प्लेसमेंट नहीं लगी हो, so he will not be placed. Definitely he'll be working into a good reputed organization one day. Yes, दिन बिल्कुल वो चेंज हो सकता है कि एक बच्चा आज अकोमोडेट हुआ है, एक कल वो होएगा, बट लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल सब होंगे अपने लेवल पे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट कि पीछे से कौन आपके लिए क्या बोल रहा है. आप सिर्फ अपने सोल को समझिए, उसकी बात को सुनिए कि आपने अपनी लाइफ में क्या करना है और कैसे करना है.
There is a question, sir, from yourself. What do you mean by success, sir? What is the right meaning of success? The person, to whom person, like, if do you successful or I am successful, how you will define the success, that this is the success one?
See, I'll say personally, if I'll talk about, for me, a success is if I'll having a good dinner on right time with my family. Okay. I think I am successful. Fine. Money can never make me success. What I'll give you small examples. Everybody has that. जब हम 5th class में होते थे तो हमें एक 10 रुपए घर से मिलते थे. I am like talking about my age. I used to get that 5 to 10 rupees at that time. फिर जब हम 12th class में आए, 10 में हमारा पूरा दिन निकल जाता था. We used to have, everybody has that experience. सबके schools में canteens थे, so everybody can relate their this 10 rupees वाला example with their life. फिर हम जब 12th class में आए, we used to get that 100 rupees. So तब 100 rupees में भी we used to think कि ठीक है यार, इसमें भी मेरा दिन निकल जा रहा है. 10 में भी we were happy, 100 में भी we are happy. अब हम graduation में है, like somebody will be getting 500 rupees, somebody will be getting 200 rupees, depending upon their all family aspects. हम उसमें भी हमारा दिन निकल रहा है. जब आप जॉब में आ जाएंगे तब आप एक दिन 20,000 कमाएंगे. फिर जब आप अपग्रेड हो जाएंगे, you will be a manager to a particular hotel. That time you will be earning 50,000, 80,000 rupees. But आपके expenses बढ़ रहे हैं, आपकी needs बढ़ रही हैं. अगर आप 80,000 कमा के भी अपने घर में आराम से रात को 8 बजे ही रोटी खा रहे हो अपनी फैमिली के साथ, so I'll say you are successful. But if your families are disputed, or if you're not able to sit with your family and not able to enjoy that particular meal, so वो लाख रुपए भी किसी फायदे के नहीं है, क्योंकि रात को वो अच्छी नींद नहीं देंगे.
सर आपने सही कहा था सर. यू आर इमोशनली वेरी मच टच सर. बहुत इमोशनल सर. ओके सर, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इवेंट मैनेजमेंट सर. If you are falling in event management, if you are running a business, one of the student is just running a small event, sir, in their village or in their town. If he is falling, how you will just how he can boom up with that? How he can just stand up with some more energy? What he can do, and how we can grab more business, or how we can just develop his company?
See, I'll tell you about what ki abhi. Let me have. I will just come up with this question like into the next slide, Mr. Manjeet. Prior to that, I'll have a question. No. Let's have this slide. Sir. I'll give you the answer for this after like five minutes. The reason behind is this. Let me have a question from all the students. What do you mean by event management? See, event management is a word, but event management has different segments. Like आपके हिसाब से इवेंट मैनेजमेंट क्या है? So let me have the answers from all students. फिर I'll come to this question.
The student just answer, sir. The answer is feeling. Service feeling. It's a feel, sir. We are just feeling it and we are just providing a level of service to them. That's
Nice.
it, sir.
Okay. No, that's definitely event management. If you're accommodating with a wedding, you have that feeling that you need to give that your 100% और उनका एक वो lifelong का एक दिन है which you have to make them successful. But event management has different segments like weddings.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. He just relate with hospitality and event that if I am just providing service to my guests, it means it's feeling for me. I am just doing a feeling for that. That's why he's just saying this one word answer. He's just given a feeling one. That's
Okay.
why, sir.
That's nice. That's nice. Yes, definitely. Events में भी and जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था कि events और hospitality दोनों accommodate करते हैं एक same platform पर. और feelings yes, जब तक आप दिल से किसी काम को नहीं करते हो वो काम अच्छा होता ही नहीं है. जिसको हम ऊपर ऊपर के मन से करते हैं वो काम जरूर हो जाता होगा बट उसमें 100% जब आपका ही नहीं होगा then you will not be satisfied on that part. Then coming to the question of that कि अगर कोई village में है then how he can boom that particular way out. Depend करेगा कि आपकी clientele क्या है. Because if into the small towns there is no scope of that much of event management because the bigger companies of event management these days they are into metropolitan. But yes, as the India is growing these years, like from the last 10 to 15 years, event management का एक अच्छा boom रहा है and most of the hospitality personals have started looking their careers into event management segment. तो स्मॉल टाउन्स में भी स्कोप है. आप उसको बूम ऐसे कर सकते हैं लेट द पीपल अवेयर कि इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इज नथिंग बट जस्ट एन हॉस्पिटैलिटी. एक शादी एक टेंट वाला भी करके देता है, एक इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी भी करके देती है. वी डू बोथ द लाइक वी डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स जो एक टेंट वाला एक लोकल टेंट वाला इज डूइंग. बट यस, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट लेवल ही विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम अस विल बी that answer, that one word answer of your student, that feeling.
Yes, sir.
That touch, that personal touch, attending all the queries of your particular customer, all your guests. So that will be the event management companies aspect. So उस तरीके से you can boom them.
Sir, I have to add something, sir. The feeling one. I think if I am serving in your company, it means you are also getting the feeling and I am also getting the feeling. But the customer who is getting the feeling, the best feeling, he is getting the feeling, sir. The customer, sir. Look, if, for example, if my wedding is there and your company is just taking care of that, so you are selling me the feeling. I am just giving you the money, it's okay. But you are giving the feeling and the memories for that, sir. That's what the word feeling, the service and the host what I am just talking about.
अभी तो event management companies are successful than a local tent वाला Mr. Manjeet.
Yes, sir.
Because आपका वो particular day को अगर memorable नहीं बनाएंगे तो why do you want to hire and professionals? फिर तो आप एक टेंट वाले से काम नहीं करा लोगे.
Obviously, sir. Sure, true, sir.
Yeah. Can I have the number, please?
Yes, sir.
Is there any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. It's fine.
So coming to the academics again, and relating to your personality development at the time of your interview, never cross your arms or legs while sitting at the interview mode. Carrying books or papers across your chest. Baki books and papers so you won't be carrying the time of your going, but slumped posture कि हाँ भाई आराम से बैठे हुए हैं टेढ़े होके and so sitting perched on the edge of the chair. आगे होके नहीं बैठना क्योंकि अगर हम आगे होके बैठते हैं तो हमें खुद ही कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहेगा उसमें. आप आराम से बैठिए, टेक योर टाइम, पुट योर बैक ऑन द बैकरेस्ट ऑफ योर पर्टिकुलर चेयर. हाथ हिलाना, टैपिंग फूड्स, रॉकिंग लेग्स, ड्रमिंग फिंगर्स, बाइटिंग नेल्स. और बाइटिंग नेल्स तो वैसे ही लाइक ये सब तो हैबिट्स वैसे ही नहीं होनी चाहिए. अब तो वैसे भी अभी ग्रेजुएटेड. But still, you will be having few of the students in your class. The students can relate themselves. So, it's the way we look at, एक तरफ से वो 6 दिख रहा है, एक तरफ से वो 9 दिख रहा है. So just because you are right does not mean that I am wrong. You just have not seen life from my side. I've told you that I usually try to put myself into the shoe of the other person. कि how it will be going across. और किसी के प्रॉब्लम को समझने के लिए पहले हमें उसकी तरफ से देखना जरूरी है. ये नहीं कि हम अपनी तरफ से उस पर्टिकुलर चीज को सोच लें और कि हाँ भाई पीछे से जो बैक बिचिंग करते हैं, कमिंग अगेन टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, उसमें लोग अपनी साइड से सोचते हैं. दे थिंक इट फ्रॉम देयर ओन पर्सपेक्टिव, दे डोंट थिंक इट फ्रॉम माई पर्सपेक्टिव. सो आई डोंट हैव टू थिंक इट बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट सीन माई लाइफ. जब तक उन्हें मेरी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है, या व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस आई एम फेसिंग इन माई लाइफ और XYZ थिंग्स, सो we don't have to think about those things then. So let's go our own life. Let me get myself satisfied from my inner soul. Yes, what I'm doing is all correct. Or yes, agar parents are saying something, so maybe we can think upon on those parts ki yes, कि क्या शायद कहीं पे गलत है. उनकी पॉइंट्स डेफिनेटली वैल्यू करेगा. I'll not talk about the rest of the world because अगर कोई आपके पीछे बोल रहा है तो आप 100% आगे बढ़ रहे हो, और तभी इसलिए कोई पीछे बोल रहा है. नहीं तो देयर आर लॉट मोर अदर थिंग्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेलिटी जिसके बारे में लोग नहीं बोलते होंगे. तो क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इनटू दैट फेस, और वो आप उनसे आगे हो तभी कोई आपके पीछे बोल रहा है.
सर आई थिंक द लोकल वर्ड फ्रॉम दिल्ली सर, वैले ही बोलते हैं सर, जो वैले है बिल्कुल. If someone want to succeed, he will just busy with his life, sir. He's just focusing on his plans and life.
Yeah, definitely. See, जिस दिन हम अपने बारे में सोच के, जिसको नीड है उसके बारे में सोच के काम करना शुरू कर देंगे, तो ऑलरेडी हमारी ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी लाइफ में एक चेंज आ जाएगा.
Can you move on, sir?
Yeah, we can move on. So let's come into the academics again. Fiddling with the jewelry or hairs, वही कि पीछे बालों में हाथ डालना, हाथ से मुंह को कवर करना. आजकल मास्क तो चलो पहनना जरूरी है ही. चेयर को छेड़ना, स्क्रैचिंग अ लॉट, क्लियरिंग योर थ्रोट टू मच, स्ट्रेटनिंग योर टाई, प्लेइंग विद वॉच फ्लिंग्स, हैंड्स इन द पॉकेट. ये चीजें ऑलरेडी आई थिंक योर टीचर्स हैव ऑलरेडी टीच्ड यू. So again, I'm just putting it down. Let's come up with some of the experiences. And if I have some questions, definitely I'll be coming up with some answers. And if any of your students want, Mr. Majid.
Yes, sir.
See, we are also going for the placement this particular year. So yes, you can also accommodate your placement cell to coordinate with us for the sales and the operation part 2 for the fourth year tourism segment or the hospitality segment.
Sure, sir. So we will just look at the future events, sir. We will contact you, sir. Yes,
definitely. Looking forward. And जब interview होगा तो all those students have to take care of these things.
Sure, sir. I will teach them, sir. I am taking their personality development class, sir. I will just get this PPT from you, sir.
That's so nice of you. फिर तो they'll all will be selected.
Okay,
so you are the teacher of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more quote is there, sir.
Sir, you will get more of the quotations in my PPT itself because I believe let's have some experiences of life. और ये जो academics वाली चीज है तो you are already masters on these things, better than me. Replacing, why is this happening to me? Coming to again that particular segment की कोई हमारे बारे में पूछता है और हम उसको सोचने लग जाते हैं कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है. तो क्यों ना हम उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करें कि ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है तो यार ये मुझे सिखा क्या रहा है. What is this trying to teach me? So with that teach me wala segment, when I'll have that, the time I'll be having that particular thought, ki what is it trying to teach me? Then I will try to understand from my side ki हाँ ये शायद गलत था. It happens with me. मुझे इसको आगे change करना है. So we have to take it in the same manner. कि ठीक है अगर कुछ गलत हुआ है तो इट्स ओके, और इफ आई डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग देन इट्स ओके, दैट इज बीइंग हैपन. व्हाट आई कैन डू नेक्स्ट टू चेंज इट, और व्हाट आई कैन डू नेक्स्ट सो दैट दिस विल नॉट बी रिपीटेड. व्हेन वी गो फॉर आर्मी ट्रेनिंग, क्यों इतनी हार्ड ट्रेनिंग होती है कि द डे आफ्टर देयर 1 year ऑफ ट्रेनिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर आर्मी पर्सनल वो 10 बारी गिरता जरूर है, लेकिन 11वीं बारी वो खुद खड़ा होके ये कहता है कि हाँ यार मैं 10 बारी गिरा था. तो आज अगर हम गिर रहे हैं ना, तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि अच्छा है अगर हम गिर रहे हैं. जिस दिन नहीं गिरेंगे उस दिन कोई हम सीखेंगे ही नहीं. गिरना भी जरूरी है, गिर के उठना भी जरूरी है, बट साथ में सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी ये है कि हमने उस गिरने के बाद क्या सीखा. सो this is the overall.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to add some lines, sir.
Yeah, definitely, please.
सर, अगर हम गिर के उठ रहे हैं तो हम सिर्फ कुछ एक्सपीरियंस के साथ उठ रहे हैं, जैसे कि आपने कहा सर. And sir, one more word you have used, the change word. If we are just replacing the G of with C, sir, we get a chance, sir. So if we are getting a chance, we have to grab that chance, and that chance is the opportunity for us, sir.
Correct. So definitely.
At last, I request you just give us some fast and a small synopsis of this webinar, sir.
So can I have the last slide, please?
Just give me a second, sir. That's the leadership.
So these are the leadership qualities which you can have. Let's wrap it up. I think we have only 8 minutes left. I'll be coming up with a few questions also. The courage, self-control, then justice and fair, habit of doing more and being paid, a pleasing personality, sympathy and understand things, mastery of details, willingness to assume full responsibility, and cooperation with your students and other things. See, I'll say life is for those, the 10%, but what happens is the 90% what we react. So 10% सिर्फ वही चीजें हैं जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है, 90% हम उसको वो बिल्ड करते हैं जैसा हम उसको रिएक्ट करते हैं. So let's not react on the negative things. Let's react on the positive things. Let's grab and opportunities out of that. The next slide, please. Investing in yourself will be the best investment you make in your life. Investing is just like attending the webinars or the classes on time, getting some knowledge. We are investing on ourselves itself. And even our teachers are giving us time for that investment. So that's a smaller thing. Smart goal for everybody. Be specific, be measurable. जो बोले सोच समझ के बोले. Be achievable. जो हमें अपना एक अचीव करना है, let's be into that and be realistic. ये नहीं कि कल ही BMW आ जाएगी, 4 साल बाद बिल्कुल आ जाएगी, but we have to be specific on that particular aim, on measurable manner, with a time bound. Then definitely 4 साल बाद BMW आ जाएगी. So you have to be realistic on that. Next slide, please. So it's a small, image which I think everybody has been seen over there.
Power of silence. Yes.
Seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with a huge noise. The destruction has noise, but the creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. I told you, do not react with anybody whomsoever will be saying you anything. So this will be like this. I think I've covered all the topics.
Yeah, that's it. You have covered the topics.
This is the image कि हम पीछे वाले का हीरा देख रहे हैं कि उसका कैसा है, लेकिन उसका कैसे निकला है आप ये भी देखिए, और नीचे आपका अपना हीरा था. So let's not be into with other things कि बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं या क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी तरफ से अच्छा कर रहे हैं, या हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में एक डिफरेंट वे पे चलता है after this particular completion of your courses. So let's talk about or let's concentrate on our own aim. आपके कई फ्रेंड्स ऐसे भी होंगे जो नेक्स्ट 1 साल में they'll be getting a good position, but you will also be getting a good position. Maybe they have worked harder than you to reach that particular position. So you need to concentrate on what you have, worked to reach that particular position. Next slide, please. I think this will be the second last slide. कितनी सीढ़ियां चढ़ के एक दीवार हमें ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ता है. So all the letters and the stairs we have to accommodate. Let's have a slide. Let's have the next slide, please. I think this is the last. तो आज और कल में क्या फर्क हो गया है देखिए. 15 साल पहले हमारे पास लेटर्स आते थे, और जब हमें एक मेल मिलती थी, वी आर सो मच एक्साइटेड हाउ द वर्ल्ड हैज बीन चेंज अ लॉट. अब हम 220, अब हमारे पास अनरीड मेल्स पड़ी रहती हैं. जब कोई लेटर आता है, वी यूज्ड टू रीड इट. सो दिस इज द चेंज ऑफ द टाइम टू टाइम. सो द हॉस्पिटैलिटी हैज बीन आल्सो चेंज्ड. पहले एक मोड ऑफ वर्किंग डिफरेंट था, अब एक डिफरेंट है. पहले from any field people can join hotels, but these days you cannot join a hotel without a hotel management personnel or the light bombs. Can I have the next slide? ये आपका ही iPhone है. The way we present ourselves.
Yes, sir.
It is as innovative example, और जो बच्चों को थोड़ा सा इजीली अकोमोडेट हो जाएगा कि आईफोन नया कैसा दिखता है, क्योंकि उसकी एक प्रेजेंटेशन उस तरीके से होती है, और एक ही आपका पुराना टूटा हुआ आईफोन है और आई से कि अनग्रूम्ड आईफोन है, तो इसको कोई भी नहीं उठाएगा. इसके नेक्स्ट में अगर कोई ग्रूम्ड और डेवलप्ड आईफोन रहेगा, so people will be taking that thing. So if you will be groomed properly, if you have a good personality, if you have a good habit, start drinking water early in the morning, at least 1 liter. You'll have that charm on your face, so that will help you out to build your personalities also. I think artificial intelligence has also plays a vital role in the hospitality segment, or the personality developed way out, because if you have a good knowledge about different machineries or different softwares, if I talk about in front office department, so on that same manner the person can easily build, and he can show his skills to particular interviewer whomsoever they are. Done. I think it looks like we have already covered everything.
Yes, sir. That's the last test.
Thank you.
That's the last.
Sorry?
That's the last one, sir. You have completed the slides, sir.
Yeah, sounds good. So thank you all of you for your time. Thank you, Mr. Manjeet.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. No, sir, we don't have any questions. They like your quotes, sir. The last quote they have added from their side, sir. Can I read for you, sir? Please?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. He just added that the words and the world, there is no difference between the spelling. There is a little bit difference, the L word and words.
Right.
So it means your words will change the world, sir.
Definitely. Our words will change the world, because the way we talk with people, or the day we behave with them, or the way we make them feel comfortable, so that will help them understand a lot of things.
It's nice to catch up with you, sir, on webinars.
I want everybody to visit our website and our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram for the recent updates. That's with the name Souvenir Events. You will be putting on Google. You'll get all our links, and because we have a competition going on over there, so if the students will click there, so they'll get something.
Sure, sir. I will share the information, sir. All the basic and the address one, sir. I will just share about your event, sir.
Sounds good.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for just giving us time.
Thank you all my students, and looking forward to host all of you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, sir.
You too. Thank you so much.